Sino ko?
Ito ang buhay ng nag-aantay lang kumain. Hi, good morning.
Binudol kami ni Kuya.
Eh, parang naligo ka na. Situation right now. Ito na, kuya.
So cool. It's so nice.
Dinbut na lang mahal ka namin.
I did something very impulsive.
Sustain.
Hi everyone, good morning. This is Kizzy. So we're going to Puerto Princesa and ang aga ng mga kasama ko, be. Doon na daw sila sa meet-up place namin. Pero ako, ito, here it is. Mamaya na tayo mag-makeup.
Video ka ng video dyan. Next.
Ay, naku, madadamay na naman kami. Pagkakakitaan mo lang kami.
Wala pang akin.
May bayan
Di ba
yung...
Thank you po. Time check. It's already 6:56 and we've arrived. Thank you po. Wow, first time namin lalabas ng trip.
Yan, may papel, eh di mag-reprint.
O, dalawa na yan. Thank you, Kuya. Kakain muna kami. Hi, good morning. We're here at Kusina Filipino.
Special guest. Hi.
My CPA friend. Wow! One of my CPA. Kakain muna kami ng breakfast. Sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, mahal talaga sa airport. Kaya kung walang Jollibee, kung mahabang pila sa Jollibee, magbaon. Yan, sige, isend nyo lang lahat ng gastusin natin. Oo, tama. Ikaw na magkasikaso niyan. CPA ka, diba? Ang flight namin is 10:40. Pero dapat nasa boarding gate kami before 9:40.
Diba?
Oo, 10 lang para maaga tayo. Inagahan ko nga, inagahan nyo pala. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. We're now going to the boarding gate. Ang funny kasi, sinasabi ko sa kanila na dapat ayusin nila, ganyan. Eh, yung pangalan ko pala. Wala yung first name. Kizzy lang nilagay ko. Parang alam ko, Trisha Kizzy eh. But anyway, I'll fix it. Ay, one-time consideration lang daw. We're gonna buy some coffee at Highland.
With a special guest.
Bakit palagi special? Grabe, sobrang walang kapal ng mukha talaga. What's your order? Ayaw nga, kanina kunento ko sa kanya. Muntik pang maiwan! Diyos ko po.
Easy pa more.
Ang in-order nila tin ay yung Finswada. Yun ay coffee with condensed
Parang
milk.
ganda ko dyan.
Yung
Please
sa
write
akin.
my username at Tenzurina. Follow me.
Tapos yung sa akin, black coffee lang. Fit check.
Feeling ko ito na yung shade.
Thank you. Black coffee. This one. Let's go. Let's do a taste test. Yo, daming ice ah. Parang dapat less ice na lang pala. Oof, gising. Solid. We're now boarding.
Yes, read carefully the passport name. And paano kung nakaupo sa
33. Ay, 33. Hi everyone, we're now here at Puerto Princesa. The weather is so nice. We love it. Hi, we're here at Puerto Princesa. We just landed and kakain muna kami. Yung pickup sa amin ng van is around 1 p.m. 1, 2. Hello lang. Ngayon, dito kami sa Minimart kasi walang restaurant na available. And sabi ni Kuya na magsusundo sa amin from Klook na ihatid niya daw kami sa kung saan pwede kumain sa labas ng Puerto Princesa. And let me show you guys. Super linis.
Yung magmalamig mo.
Kuya, mga vlogger pala tumakad. First business, ice cream agad. Ganap kami ngayon ng makakainan namin. We're ordering. Sige, go. Yes, yes. Oh, hindi. Masarap nga yan. Thank you. For our lunch, we have sisig and some chop suey. It looks so good. Let's try.
Ah, dito. Si. Wala.
So, ito yung van namin. So nice.
Say hi to the special guest.
Special Here at our stopover after, ilang oras na tayo nag-break? 3 hours? After 3 hours. Ay, so. That's our hotel. Yun nga, marami yan.
Chicken tsaka chicken.
Okay.
Bonak, date.
Yan.
Pagod.
Sorry.
Pantay lang bumaman, chicken pa yung ram.
Sige po. We're now here at the hotel called Swiftlet's Inn. And then namin silang ino-offer. They have massage, they have tours, and they have van transfers, ganyan. Let's see kung ano din yung room. I'm hoping that it's good kasi sa pictures, maayos siya. So, yan si Kuya, siya yung nag-ask sa akin. Vlogger pala ako.
Ang pitch niyo, ma'am.
El Nido. This is our room. Finally. Ay, perfect. Yay! We're here. Hello po. Ngayon pa lang kami magde-dinner. Wow, talagang no smoking and vaping. Oh, Marie. We're gonna eat dinner here. Tabi lang ng ng hotel namin. Tapos dito kasi sa harap, bilihan ng mga pasalubong, ganyan. Pero mag-check lang kami, pero hindi kami bibili. Parang natakot naman umakyat dito. Wow! It's a vibe. Mahihain mga tao. Kami lang talaga yung nandito sa We have some beef sinigang soup. Let's taste.
Pili ako niyan sa TikTok shop.
Oo, bumili.
Paano mo
May
siya
commission na agad si
na-coconut
Tresha.
Gawin natin. Bakit ang ganito?
Sige, okay lang po.
Thank you
Ate, may malapit pang convenience store dito. Midtown. Pwedeng lakarin lang.
Hi! Anyway, welcome to our podcast.
Pag-usapan natin si...
Uy, wag
Sorry.
Ang sarap. We ordered some barbecue, liempo, and grilled bangus.
Ito ang buhay ng nag-aantay lang kumain. Habang ang iyong mga friend na vlogger.
Barbecue, liempo, bangus. Let's eat! Ganyan. Okay, we're done eating. Bibili kami sa convenience store.
Tanda mo, kasya.
Island hopping. Lunch. Tapos, ito.
Second day in El Nido.
Good morning, Philippines.
We're going to our first tour, Island Hop. This is our view pala. This is the view of our hotel. Kasama na namin si Kuya.
Hi, good morning.
Ay, binudol kami ni Kuya. Pwedeng bangka na.
Bye, bag, ma'am.
Now, pero
Struggle is real. What's happening right now? Woo! Bagyo pa more. Bagyo pa lang, bayad kami. Binayaran namin po eh. Talagang nakakatawa ngayon. Yan siya. May ano tubig.
Dahil parang naligo ka na.
Di ba ba?
Situation right now.
Ito sa TikTok.
Nasa,
Araw.
nasa labas kami ng Big Lagoon. Marie! Wow! Wow! Up, up, up. Wala pa bang magpapaawat? Anong masasabi mo sa panahon ngayon?
It's already sunny. Sun is out. Yes, the sun is out. But the so are we.
Ito yung next place namin from the Secret Lagoon.
Wow!
Flying fish! Ayun!
Ikaw muna, kuya. Ganun ka namin.
We're down to our last station. We're at 7 Commando. Look at this! It's so cute! Look at the view. Wow.
Ay, C1 na to. Picture, te.
Yeah! We're done with our tour. So we're going to eat outside and we're going to party after. We're here at Not So Tight. Sorry guys, wala na akong microphone ngayon kasi hassle. I ordered mango shake. Again, this is my second time ordering mango shake. We're eating our dinner. Mine is the buncha and it's a lot. What did you order?
Pad Thai. Chicken.
That's a lot. Ikaw?
Philippines. Wait, that is this again? Krapao. I ordered krapao.
Beef krapao.
It's my first time to try this.
Yeah. We're now here at the town proper. Ang itsura.
Bakit ba yan?
Oo, masyado higpitan naman.
Ano mani?
Just what some...
Masya-set lang po kayo.
Cheers tayo.
Tignan na sa loob.
Ayun yan.
Ayun o. So,
Sabi sa inyo, mission accomplished eh.
so it's our third day today. We're about to leave. Punta kaming Nakpan Beach. Vanilla Beach. Vanilla Beach is our last one. Hello, kuya. We're here at Twin Beach. So, beachfront siya, guys. Pag nag-order kayo ng anything, free na yung higaan nyo. Look at the beach. It's so nice.
Good morning from Macpan Beach.
Macpan Beach.
It's Macpan
You bitch.
Beach.
Cheers.
Cheers! Ay, isa pa. Gusto ko naka-video.
Din, buti na lang mahal ka namin.
Kaya nga.
Ang perfect ng view.
Very,
Malayo man siya sa
nakaka-meal.
city.
Pero it's worth it's worth travel.
Kaya siguro konti lang yung tao kasi kailangan sumadya.
Kasi, di ba, yung turista kasi ang kailangan nila nasa malapit na city. Malapit dun sa pinaka this place or over Boracay, mas gugustuhin ko. Yeah.
Talaga?
Parang mas gusto mo ng walang tao kaysa yung sobrang daming tao.
Ang ganda ng Bacoor natin.
True.
The reason why we have to work so.
Kaya talaga, it's okay na walang internet connection. Wala pa tayong ibang ginagastosan.
Tsaka feeling ko gusto ko mag-anak mag-13 ako.
Oh, ako 31, hindi ko 31.
Pag settled ka na, no? Parang maganda mag-anak kapag travel ka na around the world.
Pag di ko siya kayang...
maganda kasi ngayon sa generation natin.
Pwede pa
Hindi tayo
tikim ako.
nagmamadali. Hindi tayo nagmamadali na mag-anak-anak.
Ang ayoko,
Girl, parang buhok nga.
ayoko mag-anak hanggat di ko siya mapapaaral sa akin.
Totoo.
eh.
Totoo.
Hindi, sabi ko parang
Humanap ka na ng signal.
Wait lang.
Hindi na
Nade-justify.
nada-justify ng camera.
It's only for your eyes.
We're on our second beach. We're here at Leo Beach. Hindi ko pala nasabi na we'll be going to 3 beaches. The first one is the Nakpan Beach. The second one is the Leo Beach. And then the last one would be Vanilla Beach. We're going to stay here for around 2 hours. And guys, I did something very impulsive. Period. Sa dulo. Sige, tara. We're going to eat lunch here at El Nido Grill. This is the place. And ito yung front niya, look. Yung nakpan kasi for everyone.
Yung Andy yun, diba? Hindi Rio.
Trying out the Plant and Harvest Cafe. I ordered their latte sa boat. It's good. Ayun, cute naman ng box. We're on our last stop. Grabe, super hagad na. This is Vanilla Beach. And it's kind of raining.
Pero ang ganda rin niya.
May jellyfish daw. One hot garlic vegetable chip. Thank you. Ang ganda, bakla.
Last day. Bye! Wow! It's so pretty!
This is our last destination for... Ay, hindi pala. This is our last beach for today.
Aww. So happy but so
Yeah.
sad.
Ang ganda. Ito naman background natin.
Wow.
We're about to leave El Nido and we're going straight to Puerto Princesa because that's where our flight is. Woo! What an unforgettable experience! I'm so excited to make cuento with my friends. This is my fit. Green, green, green. This is our sundo. Kasi kanina, buti bumaba si aray ko. Pero yun yung naririnig. We're here at the airport. Computing our expenses. We're waiting for our flight, 9 p.m. and it's just 4:44 p.m. We ordered coffee from Seattle's Best. Hi guys, I'll end the vlog here. Thank you for watching and El Nido Palawan, you're so memorable. I can't wait to be back. Bye!